Hey everyone, I'm Mr. Boom Boom and welcome to my music room. Today we're doing a bucket drumming activity and we're gonna play to the song My Book. We're learning one pattern, but we're gonna work on our sticking. Can you say that? Sticking. Very good. Now if you're ready, grab your sticks and your bucket and make sure you have grown-up supervision. All right, let's play. We're only playing one beat or one pattern for this song, but our goal is to use the correct sticking, which means we're using our right hand or our left hand at the right time. For this song, our pattern is 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. So our sticking pattern is right, left, right, right, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, right, right, left. Let's do it again a little bit faster. Here we go. And right, left, right, right, left. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Very good. Now, if you can't play it fast yet, it's okay. Just practice again slowly. Right, left, right, right, left. And even if you have to go slower, that's okay as well. Right, left, right, right, left. Right, left, right, right, left. So take it as slow as you need to, but make sure you're using the correct hand. All right, let's play. Hey friends, you can now rock out on a Cajon drum with me, Mr. Boom Boom. I designed one just for you, my friends that are ages 3 and up. My children's Cajon drum is special because not only is it high quality, but it's designed with safety in mind. So we added a chair back, so it looks like a regular seat, but it's actually a Cajon drum. You can learn more by going to my website, mrboomboom.shop, and use promo code MBBFAN10 to save 10%. Click your sticks. All right, we are going to concentrate on our sticking. Ready? Here we go. Right, left, right, right, left. Middle, edge, middle, middle, edge. Right, left, right, right, left. Middle, edge, middle, middle, edge. Nice and even. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Middle, edge, middle, middle, edge. Right, left, right, right. Very good, keep it going now. Keep going. Right, left, right, right, left. Right, left, right, right, left. It's okay if you make a mistake, just pick back up. Right, left, right, right, left. Middle, edge, middle, middle, edge. Middle, edge, middle, middle, edge. Keep it going, you're doing great. One, 2, and drum roll. Very good. Now, let's do it one more time, all right? Without me telling you the sticking. I know you can do it all by yourself. Here we go. friends, Mr. Boom Boom here, and I'm so excited to show you my new children's Cajon drum. Now, I designed this drum personally with safety in mind because I want my friends to be able to rock out, but to be safe. So my Cajon drum includes a chair back so that our friends won't fall backwards while rocking out. You can order one today on my website, mrboomboom.shop, and use promo code MBBFAN10 to save 10%. Pattern 1. Middle, 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 middle. Both hands together. Keep it going. 1, 2, 3, 4. All even quarter notes. Pattern 2. Here we go. Middle, middle, edge, edge. Middle, middle, edge, edge. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Same pattern, but a little louder. 1, 2, 3, 4. Middle, middle, edge, edge. Now let's click our sticks and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, we're about to take a rest now and rest, rest, rest. All right, take a big breath before we start our pattern again. Pattern 2 and middle, middle, edge, edge, middle, middle, edge, edge. A little bit louder and middle, middle, edge, edge, middle, middle, edge, edge. Let's have some fun. Middle, middle, edge, edge, middle, middle, edge, edge. Keep it going, here we go. Middle, middle, edge, edge, middle, middle, edge, edge. All right, 1, 2, 3, and drum roll. Very good. Let's do it again without me helping you. I know you can do it all on your own, all right? Let's take a big breath. All right, let's play. Great job playing today, everyone. I hope you had fun. Now, if you want to do more bucket drumming activities with me, go ahead and hit the playlist down below. And I'll see you again soon. Bye, everyone. Thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, I have so many more lessons. Click one of the playlists down below. And if you really liked today's video, hit the like and subscribe button.